wonderful friends, it's Kathy. I hope you're going to have a fabulous day and stick around and enjoy this unboxing I have for you. And if you're new to my channel, I'm glad you stopped by. Anyways, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy Plus for February 2020, and let's jump on board. And here it is. You know, it kind of gets beaten up, you know, when it's going through the mail, but I was so excited when it dropped on my doorstep this morning, so I just had to share it with you. So I'm going to open up and let's see what we got in here. And as I said, this is the Plus, and there are 3 levels here. They have the first one that's $12, which is the basic, and then they have this one, which is the Plus, and it is $25, and then they have the ultimate, which is $50. So let's open it up and let's see what we've got here. Discover yourself, and the usual, you know, little foam in here to make sure nothing gets broken. So let's jump on board. Here's the card, and it says save the date, win a V-Day gift, and the wow, feel the love is the theme for this month, which of course is Valentine's Day, and it says will you be my Valentine. Pretty cool. And there's no card in here telling you what's in here or the prices or anything like that. So we're just going to do it and just have some fun. So first off, I have the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation right here. Look at that. And let's see what color this is in light, which goes right with my coloring, so I'm really liking this. And you know, I've never tried this brand before, but you know what, I'll give it a go. Next up I have is, ooh, I'm really excited. But first off, let me pull out the legendary. Every month Ipsy has a makeup bag, and every month they really do a wonderful job. And this is for the Plus, and it's a nice like leatherette. It's a nice little pink, and it has like the purple inside. Look at that. And it has the little tag that says Ipsy on it right there. Nice little zip. So you know what? I love it because every month or so I go through these, and after a while they get kind of wonky. And I know that's my word. And, you know, sometimes you just need to refresh them because sometimes, you know, you spill your makeup, or, you know, the top comes off of a lipstick or whatever the case may be. And I really appreciate getting these. But this is a really nice one. So, next up we have is, whoa, Dominique Cosmetics right here. And this is their, let's see what it says on this. Doesn't say anything on it. Let's open it up, take it out of the packaging. Yes, I've been having one of those days. And this is the, doesn't say. Ooh, the eye, look at that. Really pretty. Let me put on my little magnifiers and let's see what it says. It looks like it has 6 colors, and doesn't say anything about it. I think this is called eyeshadow palette. I think it's called the Sweater, but look at those. Isn't that just adorable? And look at those colors, really nice soft mattes. And they have like the purples, they have the periwinkle. I think this is just adorable. And especially in a nice slim case like this, it'll go wonderful in your purse or just for an overnighter or something like that. And then I have from Il Maquillage. Okay, I'll go with that. I'm sorry if I'm just kind of blurting it out. And this is in the color black, and it is an ink liner. So let me take it out. Let's see, take a peek at it. There it is. And let me show you what the tip looks like. And let me show you. Ooh, that is pretty nice, and a really nice thin, and no dragging, and no any type of patchiness or anything like that. And just as a reminder, make sure to always put your eyeliners facing down so that the ink is always going to the tip, so it'll be lasting longer for you. So this is really nice. I really don't use eyeliner that much, but you know what? Sometimes just need some. So I appreciate that. Then next up I have is from Murad. Wow. Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Murad is a wonderful brand. I love that for skin products. And you know what? I'm really excited for this one. So here you are. And this is really nice. Essentials 3. And it's, wow, it has the SPF too. So really nice size. Let me see if let's see if it has some out there. Let me pop it on. And it has a nice little citrus scent, but very, very soft. So if, sometimes when they have so much fragrance in them, it's such a turnoff to use. And sometimes you really don't want to smell it. You want to have that nice relaxation. This is beautiful. And you know what? SPF 30 is fabulous. And you can never go wrong with that. You got to protect your skin. So last but not least is Lovecraft Beauty. And this is a blush palette. So let's open it up. Wow. Here's the back of it. Look at those colors. Here's the front. And wow. Has a beautiful mirror, but look at these big pans. That is huge. That is really pretty. I'm not going to take this off right now, but look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So for this price, I think this is something that's really nice. I think Ipsy did quite well, and especially for $25, I think these are the price of admission for me. Is the Murad the moisturizer and all that. I think that is the big thumbs up for me. I am really happy with that. And getting the Wander Nude foundation. Getting the Dominique Cosmetics sweater palette. Then getting Il Maquillage black liner. I'm sorry, I've been doing this all day. And especially this Murad, I think is really great. And this, top it off, I just love their iconic bags. Each month, I don't know how they do it, but they're absolutely fabulous. So anyways, I hope you like this boxing, and let me know what you got in yours. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget a big thumbs up, and say the big subscribe, and I'd really appreciate it. And you have a fabulous one, and take care, and see you in the next video.